I'm very excited today because I have a package that arrived. I have been using this trusty Black & Decker hammer drill for more than 15 years, and it's a KR600RE B1. It's a 13mm impact drill with hammer function. Be complemented with this Rotary hammer. Let me open the box. And here's what's inside: the user manual, the drill itself, and some bits that go with it. Yeah, there are 5 of them, and this is the stopper. The brand name is Maktec. I think this is made by Makita, and the model name is MT26. It means it's a 26mm, and the power is 870 watts and 900 revolutions per minute. It has 3 functions. One is for drilling, hammer drilling, and then a third one is chiseling. There's a fourth here which is used to adjust the chiseling position. Towards here, there's a switch to reverse the direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. These are the 4 SDS bits that go with it. We have the 3s, I think this is 6, 8, and 10mm concrete drill, and you have these 2 chisels. This is what I'm actually after, because I'm going to use this rotary hammer to break the tiles in the dirty kitchen.